Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Alex. I am a Salesforce developer at Envy. We are a Salesforce consulting and ISV partner, and we help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. In this video, I'll walk you through custom settings and custom metadata types. We have 3 minutes. Let's get started. Roughly speaking, custom metadata is the same Salesforce object with its custom fields, validation rules, and page layout. And it also has standard fields such as ID, created by, last modified by, so on, just like a regular Salesforce object. You can access the custom metadata object using SOQL queries. On the other hand, custom settings is the simplified object with custom metadata, which has only its own fields and nothing else. Since the custom settings object is stored in the application cache, it can be accessed via special methods such as getInstance by profile ID. For a better understanding, I've prepared for you a comparison table. You'll find the link in the description. What about the use cases of custom metadata? First of all, it's very convenient storing preset user data of settings. Since the custom metadata is deployed together with the values, there is no need to write any Apex classes or snippets to fill in the values after the deployment. You can edit these values using the Manage package from the sandbox. Now let's move to the use cases of custom settings. Firstly, with custom settings, you can write the values depending on the users and profiles in the org. It means that custom settings can be assigned to a specific user or profile. Secondly, custom settings can also be referenced in formals, so they can be used in formula fields, validation rules, workflow rules, and Visualforce. It is also convenient to use custom settings in the sandbox to store test usernames and passwords if they won't be transferred to the production. Well, I suppose now you understand the difference between custom metadata and custom settings. And we made it on time. Visit Envy journal for more Salesforce tips. The link is in the description. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!